Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Dr. Preeti Kapadni. So today we are going to talk about few very important clinical tips, and I'm going to tell you the secret I am telling you regarding few important clinical problems. Like, for example, those people who are having nicotine addiction, that means those who are taking tobacco again and again, tobacco smokers. For them I am using few mother tincture which gives tremendous nice result, and so many patients up till now have left their tobacco smoking habit. So those medicines are, so for nicotine de-addiction I am using Daphne indica mother tincture. There are 4 mother tincture which we should use for tobacco de-addiction. Number 1 is the Daphne indica mother tincture. Number 2 is the Tabacum mother tincture. Number 3 is the Plantago mother tincture, and number 4 is the Avena sativa mother tincture. So mind it, in equal proportion, 10 drop in water. You have to take 10 drop of each this mother tincture, or you can give separately also. 10 drop of Daphne indica, 10 drops of Tabacum mother tincture, 10 drops of Plantago mother tincture, and 10 drops of Avena sativa mother tincture. These 4 mother tincture in equal proportion in half cup of water. You can give TDS to your patient, those who are having tobacco addiction. Mind it, your patient will be fine within few months. You have to repeat it for 1 month, at least for 15 to 20 days you are going to see the result. So this is very important clinical tip which I am using in my practice. Since 17 years I am practicing in Chanwad. So now the next one is the alcohol de-addiction. See, alcohol de-addiction is quite difficult to cure, but still our 3 mother tincture, again combination in equal proportion we can give, and that mother tinctures are Strophanthus mother tincture. Number 2 is a Spirituous Quercus mother tincture. Number 3 is the Avena sativa mother tincture. Again 3 mother tincture I am telling you for alcohol de-addiction: Strophanthus, Spirituous Quercus. Third one is the Avena sativa. These 3 mother tincture in equal proportion, 10 drops TDS we can give for alcohol de-addiction. Number 4, which gives a tremendous good result. Number 4 is the kidney stone. Those patients who are suffering from kidney stone, we can give them Berberis vulgaris, Diascorea, Sarsaparilla. These 3 mother tincture, we can give them a very good result. Mind it, I have seen patients are coming with their stone with this 3 combination mother tincture. Number 1, Berberis vulgaris mother tincture. Number 2 is the Diascorea, and number 3 is the Sarsaparilla. When patients are taking these 3 mother tincture, 10 drops TDS in half cup of water gives you a very good result, along with some constitutional medicine. If you are giving, well and fine. See, whatever I have seen up till now in my practice, along with constitutional medicine, this 3 mother tincture can reduce the pain of renal angle like anything. If you don't need to give them painkiller, don't need to give them any allopathic medication. Whenever the patient are coming in a very acute pain, you can stop his or her pain with this 3 mother tincture. See, Diascorea is a very good antispasmodic medicine, and in mother tincture these 3 medicines gives a very good result. So 3 medicine for kidney stone, so many patients I have relieved them from their tendency of formation of kidney stone. So these 3 are very important clinical tip which are there in my notes, so and which are helping me since long back. I am using all those things. So for gout, now next thing is for gout, for uric acid diathesis, use Urtica urens mother tincture. Again a very good result. You will get TDS. You have to repeat the thing whenever these pathological cases are there. At least for 8 to 10 days you have to repeat. Whenever constitutional medicine you are giving, you have to give at least 3 doses. Okay, 10 minute interval में आप 3 doses दे सकते हैं. You will get a very good result. Mind it. Then gout with acidity. The person who are suffering from gout and with acidity is also there. You can think of Colchicum 30 TDS. Okay, only at least for 2 or 3 days, not 8 days. Okay, then asthma. Those patients who are suffering from asthma, you can give them Spongia 30 TDS for 3 to 4 days. Their asthma will be relieved if the patient is coming in very acute emergency condition in front of you, you can give all those medications. The next thing is for hemorrhoids. Okay, for hemorrhoids we can think of Retina 30, Aesculus 30 and Alosocotrina 30. Okay, TDS for 2 to 3 days. Okay, next thing is the for eczema. If it is a dry eczema, you can think of Natrum Mur 30. Okay, TDS for 2 to 3 days, everything I am telling you. Next thing is for wet eczema. The patient who are suffering from eczema, which is a wet one, that means they are having, there is some secretion of gluteneous, or you can see like honey like sticky discharge are there in their eczema, in the deep cracks, and honey like discharge, which is a transparent one but which is a sticky one, and for that wet eczema you can think of Graphitis 30. Then for diabetes mellitus you can give Syzygium jambonicum mother tincture. For kidney, for gallstone, we can think of Chelidonium mother tincture and Dioscorea mother tincture. So I hope these all are very important tips. Again, one more thing I want to tell you, for acne vulgaris, I have already given a lecture on acne vulgaris. You can think of Berberis aquifolium as an external application, as well as Berberis aquifolium 30. For TDS, you can give for your patient for reduction of acne vulgaris. So thank you so much for such a nice and patience listening to me, and so many tips are there. One by one we'll share. So we'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you so much.